Blake's helping Mommy sweep. You gonna broom? Good job. You guys go sweep by the door. You gonna help me sweep? Sweep, sweep, sweep. Yeah? Good job. You're such a good sweeper. Good job. Good sweeping. You're such a good helper. Thanks, Blake. Thank you. Good job. Oh, thank you very much. Good job.